Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing to do today. This is coming from 8sleep.com. Check them out. The only smart technology mattress in the universe right now. The best bed I ever slept on in my life. I have the queen size version. Now I'm going to show you the king size version. I'm waiting on the pod. It should be here tomorrow, so there'll be like a two-parter. So if you want to see that priming, all that good stuff, magic, that'll be at the end of this video. So skip it a little bit, but this is unboxing what it looks like when you get it from FedEx or whatever your shipping company is. And then they got sales. They also got a full size, queen size, king size, Cali King. They have mattress protectors like that, and you might need that because if you like it hot, you sweat, so that'll help to protect the surface in case you spill or you sleep with dogs. That's another good reason why to get one of those protectors. But this bed, I'm telling you, the best bed I have ever slept on. So really happy with this company. Definitely YouTubers, you'll be happy. And they got a huge sale going on right now. So all you gotta do is click on the link down below. We're gonna take a look. Big old box. We got the king, and like I said, the only part I'm missing right now is the pod, which is coming tomorrow. So that is FedEx doing, not 8 Sleep is part. But the main frame is right here. I got an old school one, so we're going to check this out right now. But hopefully everyone had a good day. We made it almost end of October. And pretty soon Christmas is coming up. So if you don't know what to get somebody, this is definitely the way to go. And I do believe they still offer the white glove service. You might want to check out while you're checking out, see if they still have that feature. That's where they come in. They set it up, take your old mattress out, all that good stuff. So I'll leave the links down below and in the description. But definitely get the mattress protectors. So I mean, this bed is amazing. You guys will definitely really love this bed. And I don't sleep much, but I'm getting better at sleeping because of this mattress right here. And it's helping me recover throughout my surgery that I had the past last year. So I'm telling you, especially when the heat kicks in, because I like it warm when I sleep, not too cold. Positive 5, 6, sometimes a 10 I try. It definitely does a job. So that's what it looks like on there. I'm going to pull it out of the box, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, really fast before I take it all off. This is what it comes out of. The 8 Sleep king size. You can hear the air hissing. So I'm going to pause you guys. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. 8 Sleep pod is finally delivered. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like out of the box. Put it together, and then here's a king size mattress. We're going to see how it works on the app. Everything I'll show you guys. I'm telling you guys will have the greatest night of your life sleeping on this bed with this pod setup. Easy to use. Really cool features on it. The magic is in the box. So we're going to unbox it. Comes in 2 boxes. I think it's the container for the water and then the sheets. So definitely excited. So definitely, guys, check them out. Link will be down below. They got full size now available. That's brand new this had, but they are selling out also. But all you gotta do is click on a link, click on your size you want. King, Cali King, Queen, and full. So let's see how we're gonna do this here. Checking these guys out though. I'm telling you, the best mattress I ever slept on in my life. There we go. Cut there. Sorry about the shadow. Okay, now we got that. Gotta keep them separated. Cut there. And boom. See, 2 boxes. The magic starts. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got them out of the box. There's a number 2 that had the pod right here. Really cool. It's gonna be easy to set up. And we got the back side, the plug, the hoses. Oh, that's in the right here. You'll see in a second once I pull this out and put it on the bed. That's that box. So everything came with it. Everything looks good so far. Got little stoppers here, extending the pieces to protect it. And we got the power cord right here. I just stretching it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna hook it up, show you guys how it's done, and then I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here is the mattress protector cover. I already put on. This is where all the coils, magic happens. To do the app, like I said, at the end of this video, I'll show you how this thing does its magic. Really cool. Make sure it says top left corner right there, and then the hose will be coming out of there. I'm gonna have to plug it into the pod over there. So this is what it looks like so far, and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got the zipper part down. A little tricky. Couldn't show you because it went by so fast, but definitely got it in place, looking smooth. Everything's good about it so far. Look at that. That nice blue trim, turquoise, or got the 8 Sleep logo right there. I'll show you what I mean. What I did was took these 2 corners and pushed the pad up a little bit so I could get enough room to tug it and lock on to the zipper. So I got it all the way zipped, all the way down here, and all the way throughout here. I got it all zipped up good. Like I said, it took me a little bit to figure out how to do it, but like I said, all you gotta do is take these corner, fold it up a little bit more, and zip it through. It works perfect. But next is gonna be installing the pod. Then I'll be done, and then I'll show you guys how to use the app. Really cool stuff though. So stay tuned, grab your popcorn. Alright, YouTubers, here's the water for the air conditioning part, the coolant. Filled it up. I'm doing this now, and then I got this over here. The pod, I'm probably going to set it right there. I just have to hook the connectors up to it, and then I'll get the app ready, and I'll be back, so sit tight. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the 8 Sleep pod plugged in. Really easy to do. Once you hear the click, it lights up. Got the phone going on the Google Play. I don't have iPhone, so if you have iOS, all you gotta do is type in 8 Sleep. Really simple to use, simple to set up. 8 Sleep. And right there. Like I said, a really cool app they have. Easy to use. And I guarantee you guys will have the best sleep of your life. And like I said, I don't sleep that much, but now I started getting rest. And this is the way to go with this mattress, this company. Really great stuff here. Really comfortable. Alright, so here's that. Tells a little story about them. Get started. I gotta create an account, so pause time. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. It'll give you choices if you guys can see it. White band, there we go. Sleep tracker, pod, smart bed. So we got the pod. Click on that. And then make sure you got the 2 boxes. Yes, I am good. Mattress rid. Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna have to put the water jug into that thing. Alright, I got the water inside. Now we're gonna do the steps. Continue. Set up mattress. Did all that. And another video. Another one. Continue. Got that set up perfectly. First time I didn't do it, the white glove service did it for me, so sorry for the long video. This is my first time actually putting it all together. So, like I said, if I could do it, you guys could do it. But if you have an older couple or a single parent, you might want to give them a hand. Or try the white glove service. So here we go. It does take a little bit to the water to prime it with the coils and everything. See the zipper? That was a little tricky part, but other than that, really easy. Got two zip. Plus, it shows you how to do it. I think I did it right. Hold on one sec. Yep, got it going. I was right. Thought I did something wrong, but nope. See, it shows you how to do it. An easy click. That, bada boom, bada bing. And now USB cable did that. It is flashing blue. So now we're going to do the Wi-Fi setup. You guys can't see that. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, we got it rolling. Got 8. You just got to pull it down on your Wi-Fi, set it up. It's flashing. So far, everything seems to be good to go. We're almost there. Halfway there. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah. See, this is where cool features it has. You could choose left side, right side, both sides. We'll do both. Then, if you have a partner in crime, you can always add their email in case they stay over and whatnot. You can always add them to it too. But for now, we're going to do both. And it's set up to that. Got it. So next is going to be the priming. See, it's flashing. It's ready to rock. Priming takes a while. So this is where, if you got some time, definitely don't be in a rush and do it before work or school. Just give it some time. So here we go. 4 to 6 weeks to refill. So that's usually about right with my other one. But it all depends on how much you use the air conditioning part. So here we go. It's going to update the firmware. Too much white nibs. There we go. Balance is off. There we go. It's going to update it for a minute. It's going to do its thing right there. But it's not even that loud when it's running at nighttime. See? Got an option right there. It says prime now. Got it. Oh, it usually takes about 10 minutes, so maybe not too big deal. Continue. So you can hear it. So you can take quizzes, make it personal, like a smart coach. How do you feel when you first get in bed? Oh. Cool. So you can set the time beds on it. Hear it, you can hear it going. So next. Now, like I said, make sure you get the mattress protector too. Link is down below also. You just add it to the accessories. They got pillows, gravity blankets, and but the pad is definitely a nice thing to have. So in case you spill your coffee, you have breakfast in bed, or you get sweat from the heat, that'll be great to save your mattress and flat sheet. So do comforter, EC, central air. That's what I have for sleep. None. All right, so look at that. And there's a smart temperature. You can set it to what you want. We'll keep it right now at this, but you can always go back and adjust it. Like there, so you can move it to -10 or all the way up to +10. So you can set it for bedtime. Kind of like a remote starter for your bed. So really cool. And then priming 2. I think priming 2 is the one that takes a while. It is rolling. But yeah, definitely check them out, YouTubers. The bed of the future is here with the 8 sleep king size. Like I said, they got the full size that just launched and they are selling fast. The queen size, which I have, and you guys seen the unboxings last couple months ago, I think it was, maybe last year. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. You get it delivered. You don't have to take it, pick it up at a store and carry it to your home. It's already here, bed in the box, the best one on the market right now. So yeah, it's gonna take a second or two. I'll put you guys on pause. Alrighty, YouTubers, the first stage is complete. Now we're gonna do. Oh, I gotta check the water tank. Hold on one sec. This is how you can tell you did a good job. It's empty, except for the bottom. Now I'm gonna fill it up, and it'll be finished. Alrighty, it pops up when the water clicks and everything's good. So all I gotta do is hit next. Prime now. We're all set. Everything's hooked up. And it should be off. See, the white means off. All you gotta do is hit the power button. Cool is blue. Right, it's at -2. And say you want it warm. The red is 6. See, positive red. That means it's heating up the bed. If you guys can see the redness right there. And I'll switch it over to 2 or 5 degrees. And that's blue. So awesome stuff, YouTubers. Check them out, 8sleep.com. I'll have the links down below. Check out the brand new pod, king size. And like I said, they have the full size now. And they are selling fast. They also got the queen size. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. But this is the best bed you'll ever sleep on, guaranteed. I think they put 100 days guaranteed. So definitely check it out. See, it says priming right there. So once that's done, that means everything is done. But pretty much, I showed you what I need to show you guys. Really easy to set up. Super comfy. Guarantee you guys have a good night's sleep. So once again, thank you guys at 8sleep for sending this. And YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. And happy Halloween. See ya.